National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Surrey County in northwestern North Carolina, Stokes County, western Rockingham County, the city of Martinsville, southeastern Carroll County in southwestern Virginia, Henry County, Patrick County in southwestern Virginia, until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:27 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Fancy Gap, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Eden, Martinsville, Mount Airy, Fairview, Flat Rock, Wentworth, and Hillsville. This includes the following locations: the Martinsville Speedway and Martinsville Airport. The National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning.